In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Slack channel ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or simply trying to streamline your workflow, knowing how to locate your channel's ID can be incredibly useful, especially if you're integrating Slack with other productivity tools. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Slack's website. You can do this by entering slack.com into your address bar. Once there, look for the sign in option. Now, Slack offers several ways to log in, but a common and convenient choice is to sign in with Google. If you haven't linked your Slack to your Google account yet, this might be a good time to do so, as it makes the login process much simpler and more secure. After signing in, you will arrive at your Slack dashboard. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one where the channel you're interested in is located. The dashboard might seem a bit busy if you're not familiar, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Once you're on the dashboard, identify and click on the channel from which you want to retrieve the ID. Channels are typically listed on the left sidebar. If you have trouble finding it, there's a search bar at the top which can be a big help, especially if you're a member of many channels. After selecting the channel, click on the channel name at the top of the chat window. This will open a sidebar with various options and information about the channel. It's here that we're going to find the crucial piece of information we're looking for. You'll see different options and tabs, but what we need here is the channel ID. The channel ID is often tucked into the channel information window, making it a simple yet sometimes overlooked detail. Typically, you'll find the channel ID in a format starting with a C, followed by a sequence of letters and numbers. In this case, just click on the channel ID label to highlight it. Once highlighted, you can easily copy it using your keyboard shortcuts or by right-clicking. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and copy the channel ID for any Slack channel. This small piece of information can be quite powerful, enabling you to connect Slack to other automation tools or scripts that require precise channel identification. Once you understand this process, you'll be able to navigate Slack with more confidence and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.